Hey YouTube, back down on my creek spot. Just got my lines in. I've got a perch on, cut perch. It was getting sprinkled on a minute ago. It's supposed to be a 100% chance for rain today, and it's coming. I'm just hoping I got here in time to maybe catch 2 or 3 before it hits, because I'm gonna have to bug out of here if it does. All right, let's see what we can get. I had a run on some videos going what somewhat viral for my channel, and I've got a lot of new subscribers, and welcome aboard. And I was beginning to think maybe somebody sprinkled some Miracle Grow on them. Let's see if we can catch some fish. I don't know if I'll do any good, but boy, it just feels like I ought to catch something here. It's not real warm or anything, but there's a front coming in. There'll be some rain coming in, and it just feels good. It just feels like I should get something. I'm ready for a fish. Yeah, big fish. Oh, got something. I don't know what. Oh, it's something. Oh, I got something. Woo-wee. Come on, baby. Get on in here. We got something. I don't know what it is. It looks like a big old catfish. It ain't fighting. I don't know what. I must have snagged him. Got him wrapped up. I don't know if y'all can see him down there. I got me a good little fish here, but he got wrapped up. I'll try to grab him. There we go. Look what I just got my hands on. I was just in the transition of switching from this side of the stumps to the other, and while I was grabbing the other rod and heading, I saw my other one going, so I ran over and got this baby. A big old, oh, y'all call him what you want anymore, I don't care. He's got to be about 6 to 7, maybe 8 pounds. Oh, he's a dandy. Yeah! I almost didn't get up and come to do this. I bet I'm gonna get set up over here. I may get some more. Well, that's a beautiful fish. I don't know if y'all caught that on this camera or not. Hopefully my GoPro video got it, but that thing just hit. I wasn't barely set up over there. I was just moving my other line, and I'll be damned, this big nice fish. We're gonna turn him loose. Ouch, ouch, ouch. That hurt. Ouch, hey, easy, easy, you're gonna go. Whew. But that fish reeled in most of the way. He was all tangled up in the line, so I didn't get all the fight that I had hoped out of it. But boy, it felt good when he was fighting. Of course, you know, my expectations are pretty low compared to a lot of you guys that catch them big boys, but I just have fun, and yeah, that fish was nice. big he is. Oh, oh! Fish came off. Felt like a catfish. Got a fish or a gar. Another nice little soft shell there. Let's see if I can get him unhooked. There we go. One of these days I'm going to keep one of them and eat him. I hope this rain lightens up a little bit. I'm getting wet and cold. I think it's time for me to wimp out. I am wet and cold. And I think the gar and turtle have found me. But it was worth it getting that one fish.